Bingo Cash and Rewarded Play are both legitimate apps, but they don't pay in the same way. Bingo Cash offers competitive bingo tournaments with cash prizes, while Rewarded Play gives points for playing participating mobile games and redeeming those points for gift cards. By the end, you'll know how each app actually works, where the money or rewards come from, what the withdrawal rules look like, and what to check before spending your time or money. Start with Bingo Cash. Bingo Cash is operated through Papaya Gaming's platform. Eligible players can enter cash tournaments and compete against other players based on their bingo performance. You don't always have to deposit money to play. Papaya says players can use free gems to enter gems tournaments and a free roll tournament. Cash tournaments are a separate mode where eligible players can compete for real money prizes. The important distinction is that legitimate doesn't mean guaranteed profit. Cash tournaments can require an entry fee, and your result depends on how you perform. Papaya also limits cash competitions by location and requires players to meet its eligibility rules. There are withdrawal requirements too. Papaya says withdrawals have a minimum amount and can include a processing fee. Its support documentation says withdrawals are processed within 14 days, although players usually receive their funds within 2 business days. Now look at Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play uses a completely different model. You play participating mobile games, complete qualifying activities, earn points, and redeem those points for gift cards. The company's current website says Rewarded Play has 150 mobile games, 40 AC gift card branches, and has paid more than $40 to players since 2019. Its listed gift card brands include Amazon, Target, Walmart, and Sephora.de. Rewarded Play also advertises a first EA $5 gift card within 48 hours, although your actual progress depends on the games and offers available to your account. That makes the risk profile very different. With Bingo Cash, you can enter cash competitions and potentially win money, but you can also lose a tournament entry. With Rewarded Play, you're earning points through qualifying gameplay, rather than paying to compete for a cash prize. So, is either one a scam? No. Both are legitimate platforms, but neither should be treated as guaranteed income. Choose Bingo Cash if you specifically want competitive bingo with the possibility of cash prizes. Choose Rewarded Play if you prefer playing mobile games for points and redeeming those points for gift cards without entering paid bingo tournaments. Before using Bingo Cash, check your cash tournament eligibility, entry fee, prize pool, and withdrawal terms. Before using Rewarded Play, check the current game offers, point requirements, and available gift cards. The simple verdict is Bingo Cash for competitive cash prizes, Rewarded Play for lower risk rewards. Like the video and subscribe for more real money app comparisons.